Hello. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how my daughter and I transformed her bedroom into a Parisian vintage chic kind of vibe. So first, let's start with how the story began. So in our last place, she had a boho chic inspired bedroom. In fact, I will link that video below so you can check it out. But this time, because like me, she's always changing her mind, she wanted to switch it up. Now her room was Parisian style before, but this time she wanted to go for a more vintage, mature, grown-up look. So this queen bed was way too big for her bedroom size, so we had to downsize to a full-size bed, which you will see soon. And this is just all the decor pieces that I plan to use that will be going in her new bedroom. And it's nothing new here. These are all accent decor pieces from our other home that was either used in her bedroom or somewhere around the house at one point or another. I just love remixing things around. Let's close the door before and enter into happily ever after. We love how her bedroom turned out. She especially loves it. And the video footage is doing no justice because she actually has so much moving space in her room now since we moved out that queen size bed. So if you have a small bedroom, I would definitely suggest you go with either a twin or a full size bed because you have so much room to just move around, dance about. So let's start with her little vanity setup here. So this mirrored desk was actually in my old bedroom. I actually used it as my TV stand. Yes, my TV was on top of here. But in the two drawers, I would always tend to stash makeup in there. So I thought this could be the perfect little vanity set for her bedroom. And this little bench chair fits perfectly underneath. I've had it for so long. Maybe I got it from Burlington. It was super cheap wherever I got it from. But I just threw the fake faux rug on top. I picked up this vanity mirror from Burlington. It was super cheap, like under $50. And I used to use this on my old vanity in my bedroom. It changes the lighting. It has different settings. It's so super cute. I'm not even sure what you're supposed to use this little accent piece for. I got it on clearance somewhere. Someone please tell me because I'm not sure. I took the red tag off, but it was on clearance. But my daughter wanted it there, so I thought fine. This little mirrored brush holder is so super cute. I do not remember where I picked that up from, but oh my goodness, it just goes with the whole aesthetic. So moving right along here to her other side of her room. This picture of the Eiffel Tower in Paris came with like a set of 3 or 4 pictures. I used them all around the house in the old place. Got them from Big Lots, I believe. It was super affordable for that set. And then we have laundry bins. Aren't these like the most fabulous chic laundry bins ever? But we don't use them for laundry. We use them for storage. So yes, you can use cute chic laundry bins as storage. So now let's chat about how we use this super affordable, fabulous closet system. First of all, we keep those pillows stashed up there from Venice the Menace, our little dog, because he likes to bite the cute little buttons and sequins off of them. Also, I will have a video linked below on all the details of this closet system. Been using it for years, love it. So on these shelves, we keep her backpacks, purses, lunch boxes, scarves, gloves, all of that at the very bottom shelf. If you don't have very much closet space, this closet wall unit just works. So on top, we hang her dresses. Below, you can't see it, but it's jeans, skirts, and shorts, etc. So moving right along. So I picked up this little cute tray right here. It has fur on bottom from Burlington. It's by BB. It was like $12.99, and that's just there to use it for whatever she wants. These cute Eiffel Tower Parisian vintage looking boxes match the aesthetics perfectly. Believed I picked those up from Burlington a while back, as well as that little S that lights up for her name, Sanaya. I cannot remember where I picked up this little holder from. Super cute. She just uses it for all of her hair accessories. And this little glass mirror holder came from Burlington, and she uses that for all of her perfumes. So this mirrored jewelry holder is so solid. The quality is amazing. I believe I picked this up from either Burlington or Home Goods. And because the door was kind of broken, I got it on clearance for a super good deal. The quality is amazing. And by their door being broken, I mean it just won't completely close all the way, the right door. It's an easy fix. And the top of this jewelry cabinet, it even opens and you can put jewelry in there. It holds so much jewelry. Amazing. This little Paris cabinet, I believe, came from, I don't know, either Burlington or Home Goods. It's so cute and it says Paris, so it matches perfectly. And this was in the old bathroom downstairs. And she can use the little storage for skincare or lotions, different things like that. So I love finding pieces that you can use as storage. Yes, if you're working with a smaller space, look for those functional storage pieces. They will really come in handy. So the little love sign came from Five Below and it lights up, so cute. The Eiffel Tower, I do not remember where it came from. This quote right here, pick that up from Burlington, and it's by BB. Refused to be anything but successful. I believe this was in my old bedroom. And the Eiffel Tower can also be used to hold jewelry, so love that. These beautiful curtains, I found them while thrifting. Those two right there, beautiful, right? Found them while thrifting. And I believe the other curtains I picked up from Burlington. So now let's talk about these little things on top of her dresser. So this lamp that I love, found it at Burlington. The base of it is like marble, is such good quality. I found two of these and I placed one in my son's room. It's so bright and it's just perfect for the top of her dresser. So I have this glass mirror here that I picked up from Burlington, along with that Eiffel Tower on top that's like mirrored. Is so beautiful, but I don't remember when. Some time back, picked those both up from Burlington. So this cute greenery faux plant, picked that up from Burlington as well. I took the pearls and wrapped it around. It's actually like a pearl choker, but it just gave it like that vintage glam Parisian look, so that worked out. So this vintage looking dress form, ordered that on Amazon some time ago. Just love it. It totally goes with the aesthetics in her room. So this fabulous IKEA dresser was gifted by our friend. Thank you so very much, Patsy. Since then, I have updated the knobs to a pink color that our friend actually ordered for my daughter. So I'll insert pictures of what those knobs look like right now. So here they are, and they match so perfectly with her pillows, as you will see momentarily. So thanks again, Alana, for these beautiful knobs. They truly do tie the room and the whole look together. So here we have now her whole little bed area. So the little chandelier candle holders above her bed I've been having forever. I am going to change the candles eventually. I'm still on a search for the ones that will match perfectly. I kind of want to do a soft pink and a silver one if I can ever find them. But yeah, that'll be replaced soon. That picture is a part of that Parisian set of pictures that I mentioned earlier. And yeah, that came with the whole set. Got it from Big Lots. And there is just another close-up of that chandelier candle holder. I believe I got those from Marshall's a long time ago. They even had it in gold. I wish I would have got the gold too, but oh well. So these throw pillows came between Burlington and Home Goods. I love a good decorative throw pillow. This Hope one, oh my goodness, is like my favorite. This used to be in my bedroom. I believe that one came from Burlington. The Amore could have came from Burlington or Home Goods, I don't remember. But I feel like most of my decorative pillows come from Burlington because they are super affordable. And yes, I just love decorative pillows. This lamp is by Rachel Zoe. Got that from Home Goods. Fell in love with it. It was in my office. It was in my bedroom. Now it's in my daughter's bedroom. And the blanket or the duvet, I believe it's called. That came from Amazon. I will link all of the things that I can link below, because even her beautiful, stunning bed came from Amazon, and it was so super affordable. Now, this Parisian picture came from a good friend of ours. Thank you, Eileen and Mary. It was in Mary's room forever. It was in my last bedroom. Now it's in Sanaya's room, and it goes perfectly with the whole Parisian theme. This picture literally, truly just brings the whole room to life, if you will. Like, we kind of worked around the theme of that picture. And that's just a comfy blanket that came from Burlington that we keep at the edge of her bed. So behind her door, we have this tall mirror, which was in my bedroom. Now it's in her room, and it just matched the whole theme of her room so perfectly. And I feel like every room needs a tall mirror. You got to be able to check yourself before you walk out. So it's perfect that it's right at the door entrance. And then I just put that hook on the back of the door where she can hang her robes and things like that. So that is all. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I just want to say that this was super affordable. The only things that is new in her room is really technically just her bed, because the dresser was gifted, and everything else was just things that was used around the house. So I just love to remix. Literally, as I was moving and figuring out how I wanted to do each room, I would take things and just put it aside for what I had in my head. You know how each bedroom, how I wanted it to be decorated. So it really just works out, you guys, to use those things that you already have and just remix them, just move them around. And just remember, if you're working with a smaller space such as a bedroom, definitely go for a twin or full-size bed, and make sure you pick up decor pieces that can also be utilized for storage too. That's like one of the biggest tips that I can give when working with a smaller bedroom space. Thanks so much for watching this video. It is very much appreciated. I will have lots more home decor content coming to my channel, so please like and subscribe and stay tuned for those uploads. Bye bye.